check out what's going on in the shop today. What do you say? Yeah. So Chris has got we got the hood and doors. We got all this beast together. We're waiting on the guy to come and charge up and make up the lines for the AC. Then we're gonna block and put this thing into the booth for paint. Chris wired in the aftermarket HD headlights in here. Are they bright? We'll come around here. He's done all the Dynamat in there. For those that don't know, Dynamat is like an insulation pad, deadens the sound, keeps it cool, keeps it warm, does what you want to do. Let's see the headlights here. Let's look. Holy shit! Holy! You don't even need high beam. Look at these suckers. Oh my. Wow. Don't even need high beams, so you can just drive on low with those. Holy. That's those guys that I yell at nighttime with those fucking lights on like that. I'm always like, you cocksuckers. No, and here we are putting them in. So there it is. So she's all buckled up. Pretty much, like I say, we're just waiting on the AC guy to come and make some lines for it. And then we can charge up the system. But the truck is running and moving on its own. And then we got to block down the body here. And then off to paint she goes. The Karma Gia. We're on the back corner here now with all the inner panels. And then just got to obviously finish welding this up. All the front is done now. The front was a huge... It may just look like a piece that's in here, but it's not. It's like 4 or 5 pieces with tabs and everything that go in there. And it's a real structural point. It was a nightmare in there. That was honestly like 2-3 days of solid work. And it still needs it done on this side. But we're on the back corner over there where you saw. On the back driver's side corner, or yeah, driver's side corner. We're going to get all that taken care of there. And then we're going to come around, get this side cut off and do all this and just keep working our way around. Then the last corner will be that. So this car had, oh my God, a ton and ton of rust repair. Way more than anyone ever expected. The good news is, when it does leave here, it's going to leave here as a very solid car, and these cars are known for being rotten. So if this car was to ever come up for sale, if the owner decide to sell it, they're going to have absolutely no issue because every body panel's been replaced and it's a solid car. It's still going to have some filler in it. You can't get away from that. But at least it's not going to be covering up rust and mud and shit like that. It's going to be done properly. So, Karma Gia, going good. Now, Chris is onto the... Chris is onto the Dynamat now in the Pro Street 72 GMC.
Dynamat week.
Dynamat week, right?
Yeah.
Dynamat. That's what we're doing. Well, that's what he's doing. Yeah. It's coming to get the 80 Chev pickup cab. That's sitting in here. Had all the inners painted. I got to mask it off now and got to texture spray all the floor inside. Then get it on the hoist to lift it up in the air and texture spray the underneath. But all the edges are painted. Soon it'll be going on the frame. But before I can actually put it on the frame, because we measured this truck, it's so tall, it has to fit in this bay, which means I have to get this one done, the pizza oven truck I call it, done over there first. Because I just don't have room for 2 of these big monster trucks in here. So we'll at least get the texture spray done on the cab. And Sean's working on the hood and bits and parts and pieces, whatever you want to say there for it. So we're still doing stuff to it. And then we're going to be, Chris is going to Dynamat here, and then we're going to fit the hood on this one more time, make sure the hood fits good. Then we got to fit the box on it. Got to fit the box and do a few things there, then we'll get it up and running. Then the box has got to come back off. Then you got to prep this truck for paint. Then bring it home, put it together. So, oh my God. Yeah. Now. And of course I'm working away here on this Mustang, which you saw. I've been doing so there'll be another video coming up soon. You remember last I had all this cut out. Anyway, I got all my spray coating done in there and stuff like that. And I had a little rust that was on that panel right there. Took care of that. So that's what's going on there. Camaro parts came in. So I'm going to pick up the Camaro parts on Monday. And then we'll be back on the Camaro. That's good. So we'll go there. We'll see what Sean's doing. Sean's taking a break. He's drinking. He's drinking on the job. Damn. What do we got? Sean's got a whack of stuff going on. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. So Sean's got, well, he's got, this is the hood for that 80 Chev pickup, cowl hood. Sean's got all that straightened up now, ready for primer. And then this damn trailer that's been laying around for years, we're finally going to get some paint on, get it out of my life. And then this is the steering wheel for the 58 Chevy pizza oven truck. It's got a few cracks. Sean can fix that. He can repair steering wheels. Trust me, he knows what he's doing. And then this is, oh my God, there's so much. This is for a 72 Chev pickup. This is the back panel that holds your box together at the back. And then these are box steps for the 80 Chev pickup. And this is for the 80 Chev pickup, which I forgot to take this chrome off for you, Sean. I meant to take this off yesterday. Well, I'm gonna yeah, I'll take it off. Yeah, whatever. It's, what is it, 3/8 or 7/16? Yeah. So that's what Sean's got going on today. So he's a busy man. And he's drinking on the job at the same time. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. So, that's what's happening there. So there you go. So there's our update here at OTG. We got some more new decals, or decals, however you want to pronounce it. They are in, so check out the website. They'll be up this weekend. So we got some more of those coming, or they did come in. And then we're gonna have, come springtime, we're gonna have a couple more new shirts again. That's right, new shirts. We're just rocking out the shirts. So that's all I gotta say. So thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching. Remember, it's always a good time, an old time. You know it. It's never a bad time. Well, if it is, you'd never know anyway, because I'd never tell you. I'd just put a smile on my face and here I'd be. See, I'm talkative today. You know why? Because it's Friday. Thank God. You know what Friday means? It means beer.